Yeah, Martin, you gotta be dressed appropriately for hot weather.
I know.
Like Jesse or me. I'm wearing t-shirt and shorts, and Jesse's wearing a t-shirt and shorts too, right, Jesse?
Yes, Eric.
Yeah. See, we're dressed appropriately for this warm weather.
Red, white, and blue.
You're dressed up like the winter.
Yeah, kind of do look like that.
So, would you want to explain where we're going?
I think we're going straight ahead.
Yes. What are we going to see tonight?
Fireworks.
Yes, that's right. We're going to see the fireworks.
Yep. Look at that crane flag on.
Oh, Jesus.
World Construction is really honoring the country right now.
Oh, the sidewalk's not wide enough for us to...
All right.
I shouldn't walk on the... I shouldn't really walk on the street.
That's okay.
We gotta figure out a way to put on that hat, Jesse. Try it another way, maybe. Try it another way, maybe. You should try that hat. Put the hat on the other way, like that. Good. That's awesome. Or maybe the other way, like turn it around. Here, like that. There. Perfect. You have a different... Yeah, we have different shaped heads.
Yeah.
We have different shaped heads. Do you know that? Our heads are different shapes, so...
Are we gonna... Should we get to the ice cream truck today?
Yeah.
I forgot my money.
Oh.
Did you?
Mark,
I'm not allowed to eat anything. I have to...
All right, don't worry, we'll figure it out.
I have to work on my gums. It was a stupid night for me to come here tonight. I don't know.
Sorry about that.
What?
I thought you wanted to come.
I do want to come.
Oh.
That's why I came.
Okay.
Yep.
How can I walk? Clearly they're waiting for something.
Yeah, well, I thought you have to yield to pedestrians. Cars don't go first. People go first.
Yeah, it's just so busy. I don't know if Glenn's here tonight or not.
Yeah.
He usually comes to these things.
Wasn't he the one that got angry of us for going to the car junkyard?
No, it's Chucky. Glenn Reed, hey, how you doing? That's what he sounded like. He came to Mr. Flynn's house.
Oh yeah,
Lawnmowers,
him.
yeah, him.
You know a lot of people, buddy.
That's
could
right.
you please tell Eric next time for the roses, tell him, I'll tell someone.
I need to sit over on the bleachers. Jesus, this place is crowded.
Yeah, do you mind if I walk around
Hey,
a little bit?
well, let's get to a meeting spot, okay?
right.
I'm gonna go. Come on, Jesse Martin, this way. Hello, excuse us. Look how many people are here, guys. This place is crowded. This place is crowded. Look at how many people are here. Sorry. Look at how many people are here, guys. There's like 1,000 people here, or more than 1,000. This place is crowded. This place is crowded, guys. Is there blue? Where's a good spot to sit? Oh, yeah. Why are there the fireworks tonight instead of... Tomorrow's the 4th of July.
Yeah, pre 4th of July night. 4th of July Eve.
It's the 3rd of July. I thought you said there was bleachers here.
They're over there, the red ones.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's sit over there.
Yeah.
Hold on, blast. Look how many people are here, guys. This place is crowded. This place is crowded. Look how many people are here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, We're gonna sit on these red bleachers. Hello, hello.
Hello.
I'm gonna sit on this red bleacher.
Yeah, that's where we're sitting too.
Yep. Okay, have partners. We can see the fireworks from here.